Okay, we're going to show you next how to set up the 2-foot illuminated counter, which is designated 2 FTI. And this is the same height, a little different. You have a light box. It's creating some different size bars. And so we'll show you everything on that. This unit will have an electrical cord. It has like 8 black connectors, 4 feet. These are corner units. You probably have black in the units that you have, but we just had these available. So we start with the bottom, and you can see that they're designated 1 through 4. One of them has a light box detail. And then we have the verticals, and those are designated 1 to 4. You can see there, that's the upper one. And we have the electrical connection and transformer to hook up the lights. We'll show you how to do that. Here's a couple of the other verticals. And then we have the top bars, which one is, again, the light box, and 3. They also, 2 sides are going to have the channel that the fabric panels go in. And on the light box, every set has 2 of these light boxes. One will say cellular sales, the other says Verizon. And so we're going to show you how to put all that together. So we'll begin with taking our connectors, putting the feet in them. To create the bottom of this. And again, it's just like a 45, and put it on there and a twist, and it just locks. It's all done without any tools. So the front and the back are, the width of this is wider than the depth in terms of the bars because of the light box. And again, the 2 sides have the channel, the plastic channel, and the back is just plain. So we're putting the other cubes on the top, and we want to put that transformer, when you look at the front of the box, it's going to be in the bottom left. And for the graphics, for the front graphic, we're actually creating a box using the black aluminum channel. And again, putting the back bars on, we're going to have that spacer is going to be facing inward. That's going to hold the shelf. Again, the back is open, so there's no plastic on that at all. And then the sides, we're putting that plastic to the inside to create the box for the siliconated graphics. Here comes the top of the light box. Again, one more side panel. Okay, so now with the lights, we need to connect the lights so that the current will make its way around. So they're just these little plastic pieces. You just kind of read the way it should go. The little hook goes in a little circle. There's 3 of those, and they just come undone when you're finished. Just push the little extension, and basically that end is just stays the way it is. And so then to complete this, we're going to put these corners in, and they just kind of slip in. The groove kind of follows the the aluminum. Sometimes you gotta knock them in a little bit. But the black channel is actually inside that plastic edging. Okay. Bring it down. Okay, now that we've built it, again, we have a middle shelf under 2 FTI. And again, this is the top counter. And this, since it's a different size, this is the front. And it's gonna, and we wanna make sure the hole in this one matches that. So let's put the hole will be,
notches on this end are smaller.
yeah, okay. And then that's the front. This is the front. Okay. And then let's just grab one of the backlit pieces. Again, we're just putting it in the groove. Just work your way around. Okay, and then when you're done with everything, we'll just take the electrical, you hook it up. This end's going to go into that end right there, and you feed it out the bottom, and that's ready to go.